Is this one you bought at
Yeah, I bought it in Weatherford.
Yeah, that one's coming up in March.
I think so, yeah. Yeah, I picked up in Weatherford from a fellow out there. It wasn't a great buy. I think I paid either 80 or 100. I can't remember. I have to go back through my records, but they don't make them anymore, so my intentions originally, like I said, I've seen people hop these up to be 120, 130 mile an hour planes. I guess the wing on them can handle it. And that was my intentions, but then when I brung it out here and flew it, I was like, well, heck, it actually flies pretty good, so I think I'll just leave it the way it is. I guess I should get out of the hole in case they're going to fly.
I mean, one time, Jim always stands out on the runway and takes off.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's because standing behind the plane is easier, you know.
So, he's bringing it in for a landing. It dawned on us, we stood out on the runway the whole time. I said, Jim, we should have moved back behind the fence.
Yeah, I do that sometimes. If I'm the only one out here, I'll just, especially if the sun's up, I'll just stand on the other side of the field. That touch and go was accidental.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Hopefully I didn't yank the gear off of it. This thing is pretty fragile, being balsa, you know. Well, they look like they're still hanging on. So Jim and I bought metal detectors.
Yeah, he said he got one.
Yeah, we're after we got them delivered in, found a pretty good deal on them. About $70, $80 cheaper than you could get them anyplace else, plus free shipping, no tax. So it, really came out to be about probably $150 cheaper than anyplace else. And man, after they got here, mine's still in the box. He sent me a picture of his. He's got it put together. But I texted him back and I was like, doggone it, Jim, here we are getting, they said, I don't know when I'm going to go use this hobby. Between airplanes and firearms and now metal detecting, I ain't going to have no time to do anything. So I told my wife, clearly the thing that has to be sacrificed is the honeydew chores. You're going to have to just not have quite as much time to do that.
Yeah.
She said, okay, I'll get me another honeydew then.
Oh, no.
I was like, well, listen, if he takes care of the chores, and don't eat much, then it might be a win-win for everybody.
Boy.
You want to try this one?
No, sir. I think so.
That's the first time I've flown this in about 9 months.
Yeah, that's what you said. Now you've got another one that's similar to this.
I do?
I thought you had.
Mm.
Weekender?
Oh, yeah, Weekender. Yeah. I flew that the other day.
I love that one. That's the one you were just kind of floating around with over here.
Yeah. What I liked about the Weekender was that price tag.
Yeah.
I guess that guy just didn't want to take it home or something. I don't know, but $40, man, and it had a receiver. Yeah, not a scratch on it. It was a pristine condition. Alright, I guess I'll land. Still got 3 minutes left, but I'm sure the other guys are ready to get a plane up in there.
This is such a great hobby.
Isn't it though?
I just think it's... There's so many different designs on aircraft. I mean, look at that. The horizontal flat is underneath the fuselage. If I was designing a plane, I don't think I would ever come up with that idea. You know what I mean?